Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Face ID to log into apps on your iPhone device. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So first get into settings and then scroll down all the way until you find the Face ID and the passcode, then just tap on it. Then you have to enter your current passcode, and on that step you can easily find other apps. Just tap on that and it shows you all the apps that can use your Face ID instead of in-app password. Some of them are turned on, some toggled off, and let's say I want to use Face ID on each app from that list, so I'm just gonna hit add that switchers to enable using Face ID instead of using in-app PIN codes or passwords. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.